والمحصنات من النساء إلا ما ملكت أيمانكم كتاب الله عليكم وأحل لكم ما وراء ذلكم أن تبتغوا بأموالكم محصنين غير مسافحين فما استمتعتم به منهن فآتوهن أجورهن فريضة ولا جناح عليكم فيما تراضيتم به من بعد الفريضة إن الله كان عليما حكيما.
Married women are prohibited for you, except the women of the disbelievers you rightfully own. This is prescribed for you by Allah, and apart from them, prohibited women mentioned above. Lawful for you are the women that you seek to marry with your wealth, not to fornicate with them. So the women you desire to marry, give them their specified bridal gifts, meher, and there is no sin on you in that which you mutually agree on after the amount specified. Indeed, Allah is all-knowing, most wise.
ومن لم يستطع منكم قولا أن ينكح المحصنات المؤمنات فمما ملكت أيمانكم من فتياتكم المؤمنات والله أعلم بإيمانكم بعضكم من بعض فانكحوهن بإذن أهلهن وآتوهن أجورهن بالمعروف محصنات غير مسافحات ولا متخذات أخدان فإذا أحصن فإن أتين بفاحشة فعليهن نصف ما على المحصنات من العذاب ذلك لمن خشي العنة منكم وأن تصبروا خير لكم والله غفور رحيم.
But if any one of you cannot afford to marry a free Muslim woman, he can marry the Muslim maidservant in his ownership, and Allah knows all about your faith. You are alike among yourselves. So marry them with the consent of their masters and give them their bridal gifts with courtesy while they are willing to marry, not those women who fornicate, nor those who make friends in secret, illicit relations. Then when they are married, if they commit indecency, then they are given half the punishment of free women. This is for those of you who fear falling into fornication. It is better for you to be patient, and Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
يريد الله ليبين لكم ويهديكم سنن الذين من قبلكم ويتوب عليكم والله عليم حكيم.
Allah wills that He states His commands to you and informs you of the ways of those who preceded you, and He turns to you with His mercy, and Allah is all-knowing, most wise.
والله يريد أن يتوب عليكم ويريد الذين يتبعون الشهوات أن تميلوا ميلا عظيما.
Allah intends to turn to you with His mercy, but those following their desires want you to deviate very far from the straight path.
يريد الله أن يخفف عنكم وخلق الإنسان ضعيفا.
Allah intends ease for you, for humans were created weak.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تأكلوا أموالكم بينكم بالباطل إلا أن تكون تجارة عن تراض منكم ولا تقتلوا أنفسكم إن الله كان بكم رحيما.
O you who believe, do not consume the wealth of one another unlawfully, except it be business with mutual consent. And do not kill yourselves. Indeed, Allah is most merciful to you.
ومن يفعل ذلك عدوانا وظلما فسوف نصليه نارا وكان ذلك على الله يسيرا.
Whosoever does this kills in transgression and oppression, then soon we shall make him enter fire. And this is very easy for Allah.
إن تجتنبوا كبائر ما تنهون عنه نكفر عنكم سيئاتكم وندخلكم مدخلا كريما.
If you refrain from major sins that you have been forbidden to do, then we shall erase your other sins and make you enter an abode of honor.
ولا تتمنوا ما فضل الله به بعضكم على بعض للرجال نصيب مما اكتسبوا وللنساء نصيب مما اكتسبن واسألوا الله من فضله إن الله كان بكل شيء عليما.
And do not desire that by which Allah has granted excellence to some of you over others. For men there is a share from their deeds, and for women there is a share from their deeds. And ask Allah for His grace. Indeed, Allah knows everything.
ولكل جعلنا موالي مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون والذين عقدت أيمانكم فآتوهم نصيبهم إن الله كان على كل شيء شهيدا.
And for all people, we have appointed heirs for what has been left behind by parents and close relatives. And those with whom you have an agreement, give them their share. Indeed, Allah is a witness over everything.
الرجال قوامون على النساء بما فضل الله بعضهم على بعض وبما أنفقوا من أموالهم فالصالحات قانتات حافظات للغيب بما حفظ الله واللاتي تخافون نشوزهن فعظوهن واهجروهن في المضاجع واضربوهن فإن أطعنكم فلا تبغوا عليهن سبيلا إن الله كان عليا كبيرا.
Men are guardians for women as Allah has granted excellence to some over others among them. And because men spend from their wealth on women, so righteous women are obedient, protectors in the absence of husbands, with the protection of Allah. And the women whose disobedience concerns you, so admonish them, and then separate your beds from them. And if they still persist, beat them. So if they obey, do not seek a way of oppression against them. Indeed, Allah is most high, most great.
وإن خفتم شقاق بينهما فابعثوا حكما من أهله وحكما من أهلها إن يريدا إصلاحا يوفق الله بينهما إن الله كان عليما خبيرا.
If you fear a dispute between husband and wife, send a mediator from his family and send a mediator from her family. If both intend reconciliation, Allah will create harmony between them. Indeed, Allah is all-knowing, most aware.
واعبدوا الله ولا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين إحسانا وبذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين والجار ذي القربى والجار الجنب والصاحب بالجنب وابن السبيل وما ملكت أيمانكم إن الله لا يحب من كان مختالا فخورا.
Worship Allah and associate none with Him. Be good to your parents, your relatives, orphans, the destitute, near and distant neighbours, the companion by your side, the traveller, and those bond servants whom you rightfully possess. Allah does not like the one who is arrogant, conceited.
الذين يبخلون ويأمرون الناس بالبخل ويكتمون ما آتاهم الله من فضله وأعتدنا للكافرين عذابا مهينا.
Those who are miserly and urge others to be miserly and conceal that which Allah has granted them with His grace, there is a grave warning for them. And we have prepared a humiliating punishment for the disbelievers.
والذين ينفقون أموالهم رئاء الناس ولا يؤمنون بالله ولا باليوم الآخر ومن يكن الشيطان له قرينا فساء قرينا.
And those who spend their wealth ostentatiously and neither believe in Allah nor the last day, there is a grave warning for them. And the one for whom Satan becomes a companion, so what an evil companion he is.
وماذا عليهم لو آمنوا بالله واليوم الآخر وأنفقوا مما رزقهم الله وكان الله بهم عليما.
And what loss will they incur if they believe in Allah and the last day, and they spend from that which Allah has provided them in His way? And Allah knows them.
إن الله لا يظلم مثقال ذرة وإن تك حسنة يضاعفها ويؤت من لدنه أجرا عظيما.
Indeed, Allah does not oppress even as much as an atom's weight. And if there is a good deed, He multiplies it and grants great reward from His court.
فكيف إذا جئنا من كل أمة بشهيد وجئنا بك على هؤلاء شهيدا.
How will it be for them when we shall bring forth a witness from every nation, and dear beloved Prophet, bring you as a witness and guardian over them all?
يومئذ يود الذين كفروا وعصوا الرسول لو تسوى بهم الأرض ولا يكتمون الله حديثا.
On that day, the disbelievers and those who disobeyed the messenger will wish that they are buried and the earth is made level above them, and they will not be able to conceal any statement from Allah.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقربوا الصلاة وأنتم سكارى حتى تعلموا ما تقولون ولا جنبا إلا عابري سبيل حتى تغتسلوا وإن كنتم مرضى أو على سفر أو جاء أحد منكم من الغائط أو لامستم النساء فلم تجدوا ماء فتيمموا صعيدا طيبا فامسحوا بوجوهكم وأيديكم إن الله كان عفوا غفورا.
O you who believe, do not go near the prayer, salah, while you are intoxicated, until you understand what you say, nor in a state of major ritual impurity until you take a bath, unless you are travelling, so perform tayammum. And if you are ill or on a journey, or one of you has come back from relieving himself, or you performed intercourse with women and do not find water, then perform tayammum with pure soil. So wipe over your faces and hands. Indeed, Allah is most pardoning, most forgiving.
ألم تر إلى الذين أوتوا نصيبا من الكتاب يشترون الضلالة ويريدون أن تضلوا السبيل.
Did you not see those who were given part of the book? They purchase misguidance and desire that you stray from the right path too.
والله أعلم بأعدائكم وكفى بالله وليا وكفى بالله نصيرا.
And Allah knows best regarding your enemies. He is sufficient for protection, and He is sufficient as a helper.
من الذين هادوا يحرفون الكلم عن مواضعه ويقولون سمعنا وعصينا واسمع غير مسمع وراعنا ليا بألسنتهم وطعنا في الدين ولو أنهم قالوا سمعنا وأطعنا واسمع وانظرنا لكان خيرا لهم وأقوم ولكن لعنهم الله بكفرهم فلا يؤمنون إلا قليلا.
There are some among the Jews who change words from their places and say, "We have heard and disobeyed, and listen, may you not hear." And they say, "Ra'ina," twisting their tongues while mocking the religion. Had they said, "We have heard and obeyed and listened to our statement and look upon us," it would have been better for them and more suitable, but Allah has cursed, rejected them due to their disbelief, and so they have very little certainty of faith.
يا أيها الذين أوتوا الكتاب آمنوا بما نزلنا مصدقا لما معكم من قبل أن نطمس وجوها فنردها على أدبارها أو نلعنهم كما لعنا أصحاب السبت وكان أمر الله مفعولا.
O people of the book, believe in what we have sent down to you, the Quran, confirming the book which you possess before. We erase faces and then turn them resembling their backs, or curse, punish them as we curse the people of the Sabbath, and the decree of Allah will come to pass.
إن الله لا يغفر أن يشرك به ويغفر ما دون ذلك لمن يشاء ومن يشرك بالله فقد افترى إثما عظيما.
Indeed, Allah does not forgive that a partner is ascribed to him, and he forgives what is less than that for whomsoever he wills, and whosoever ascribes a partner to Allah, he has indeed fabricated a grave sin.
ألم تر إلى الذين يزكون أنفسهم بل الله يزكي من يشاء ولا يظلمون فتيلا.
Did you not see those who proclaim their purity? Rather, Allah purifies whomsoever He wills, and they will not be oppressed, even the equivalent of a strand within a date.
انظر كيف يفترون على الله الكذب وكفى به إثما مبينا.
Observe how they fabricate a lie against Allah. This itself is an unequivocal sin.
ألم تر إلى الذين أوتوا نصيبا من الكتاب يؤمنون بالجبت والطاغوت ويقولون للذين كفروا هؤلاء أهدى من الذين آمنوا سبيلا.
Did you not see those who were given a part of the book? They believe in idols and Satan, and they say to the believers, "These people, polytheists, are more guided than Muslims."
أولئك الذين لعنهم الله ومن يلعن الله فلن تجد له نصيرا.
These very people are those whom Allah has deprived of His mercy, and the one whom Allah deprives, you will never find a helper for him.
أم لهم نصيب من الملك فإذا لا يؤتون الناس نصيرا.
Is there a share of the kingdom for them? If so, then they would not even give people the equivalent of a sesame seed.
أم يحسدون الناس على ما آتاهم الله من فضله فقد آتينا آل إبراهيم الكتاب والحكمة وآتيناهم ملكا عظيما.
Rather, they are jealous of the people due to that which Allah granted them from His grace. So indeed, We gave Ibrahim and his progeny the book and wisdom, and we granted them a vast kingdom.
فمنهم من آمن به ومنهم من صد عنه وكفى بجهنم سعيرا.
Then some among them, the Jews, believed in him, the Prophet ﷺ, and some of them turned away from him, and hell is sufficient for punishment.
إن الذين كفروا بآياتنا سوف نصليهم نارا كلما نضجت جلودهم بدلناهم جلودا غيرها ليذوقوا العذاب إن الله كان عزيزا حكيما.
Indeed, those who disbelieved in our verses, soon we shall make them enter the fire. Whenever their skins will be completely burnt, we shall replace their skins with other skins so that they taste punishment. Indeed, Allah is Almighty, most wise.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سندخلهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا لهم فيها أزواج مطهرة وندخلهم ظلا ظليلا.
As for those who believe and do good, we shall admit them into gardens beneath which rivers flow. They will reside therein forever. For them there are pure wives therein. And we shall make them enter a place covered by vast shade.
إن الله يأمركم أن تؤدوا الأمانات إلى أهلها وإذا حكمتم بين الناس أن تحكموا بالعدل إن الله نعم يعظكم به إن الله كان سميعا بصيرا.
Indeed, Allah commands you to hand over entrusted items to their owners and to decide with justice when you decide a matter between people. Indeed, Allah advises you in an excellent manner. Indeed, Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا أطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول وأولي الأمر منكم فإن تنازعتم في شيء فردوه إلى الله والرسول إن كنتم تؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر ذلك خير وأحسن تأويلا.
O you who believe, obey Allah and obey His Messenger and the people of authority among you. Then if you have a dispute among yourselves in a matter, present it to the court of Allah and the Messenger if you believe in Allah and the last day. This is better and its outcome is the best.
ألم تر إلى الذين يزعمون أنهم آمنوا بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك يريدون أن يتحاكموا إلى الطاغوت وقد أمروا أن يكفروا به ويريد الشيطان أن يضلهم ضلالا بعيدا.
Did you you not see those who claim that they believe in that which was revealed to you and that which was revealed before you? They want their decisions to be made by Satan, whereas they have been commanded to reject him, and Satan desires to make them wander in extreme misguidance.
وإذا قيل لهم تعالوا إلى ما أنزل الله وإلى الرسول رأيت المنافقين يصدون عنك صدودا.
And when it is said to them, come forth towards the book which Allah revealed and towards the messenger, you will see the hypocrites defiantly turning their faces away from you.
فكيف إذا أصابتهم مصيبة بما قدمت أيديهم ثم جاءوك يحلفون بالله إن أردنا إلا إحسانا وتوفيقا.
So how will it be when a calamity befalls them due to their very own deeds? And then, O beloved Prophet, they come to you swearing by Allah, our purpose was merely righteousness and reconciliation.
أولئك الذين يعلم الله ما في قلوبهم فأعرض عنهم وعظهم وقل لهم في أنفسهم قولا بليغا.
Allah knows what is within their hearts. So overlook them and advise them and speak to them about their souls with words of efficacy.
وما أرسلنا من رسول إلا ليطاع بإذن الله ولو أنهم إذ ظلموا أنفسهم جاءوك فاستغفروا الله واستغفر لهم الرسول لوجدوا الله توابا رحيما.
And we sent no messenger except that he is obeyed with the command of Allah. And if, when they had wronged themselves, dear beloved Prophet, they came to your court, then sought forgiveness from Allah, and the messenger had prayed for their forgiveness too, then certainly they would have found Allah to be most accepting of repentance, most merciful.
فلا وربك لا يؤمنون حتى يحكموك فيما شجر بينهم ثم لا يجدوا في أنفسهم حرجا مما قضيت ويسلموا تسليما.
So, dear beloved Prophet, by your Lord, they will not become believers until they make you a judge in that which they dispute amongst themselves, and do not find within their hearts any unease regarding that which you decide, and wholeheartedly accept prophetic judgment.
ولو أنا كتبنا عليهم أن اقتلوا أنفسكم أو اخرجوا من دياركم ما فعلوه إلا قليل منهم ولو أنهم فعلوا ما يوعظون به لكان خيرا لهم وأشد تثبيتا.
And had we prescribed for them, kill yourselves or leave abandoning your homes, they would not have complied except for a few among them. And had they done everything they were advised to do, it would have been better for them and a means of steadfastness in faith.
وإذا لآتيناهم من لدنا أجرا عظيما.
And if that were the case, then we would certainly grant them a most excellent reward from our court.
وَلَهَدَيْنَاهُمْ صِرَاطًا مُسْتَقِيمًا.
And we would certainly have guided them to the straight path.
وَمَنْ يُطِعِ اللَّهَ وَالرَّسُولَ فَأُولَئِكَ مَعَ الَّذِينَ أنعم الله عليهم من النبيين والصديقين والشهداء والصالحين وحسن أولئك رفيقا.
And whosoever obeys Allah and His Messenger will be with those upon whom Allah has bestowed grace, the prophets and the exceedingly truthful and the martyrs and the righteous, and how excellent these companions are.
ذلك الفضل من الله وكفى بالله عليما.
This is the grace of Allah, and Allah is sufficient as the all-knowing.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا خذوا حذركم فانفروا ثبات أو انفروا جميعا.
O you who believe, be vigilant, and then advance towards the enemy in small numbers or go forth together.
وَإِنَّ مِنكُمْ لَمَن لَّيُبَطِّئَنَّ فَإِنْ أَصَابَتْكُم مُّصِيبَةٌ قَالَ قَدْ أَنْعَمَ اللَّهُ عَلَيَّ إِذْ لَمْ أَكُن مَّعَهُمْ شَهِيدًا.
And indeed there are some among you who will certainly delay. So if a calamity befalls you, he, i.e., the loitering one, will say, indeed, Allah has bestowed favour upon me as I was not present with them.
وَلَئِنْ أَصَابَكُمْ فَضْلٌ مِّنَ اللَّهِ لَيَقُولَنَّ كَأَن لَّمْ تَكُن بَيْنَكُمْ وَبَيْنَهُ مَوَدَّةٌ يَا لَيْتَنِي كُنتُ مَعَهُمْ فَأَفُوزَ فَوْزًا عَظِيمًا.
And if you receive the grace of Allah, He will certainly say, as if there had been no friendship between you and Him, oh, would that I had been with them too, I would have attained great success.
فَلْيُقَاتِلْ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ الَّذِينَ يَشْرُونَ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا بِالْآخِرَةِ وَمَنْ يُقَاتِلْ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ فَيُقْتَلْ أَوْ يَغْلِبْ فَسَوْفَ نُؤْتِيهِ أَجْرًا عَظِيمًا.
So those who sell the life of this world for the hereafter should fight in the way of Allah, and whosoever fights in the way of Allah and is martyred or overpowers, then soon we shall grant him a great reward.
وَمَا لَكُمْ لَا تُقَاتِلُونَ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ وَالْمُسْتَضْعَفِينَ مِنَ الرِّجَالِ وَالنِّسَاءِ وَالْوِلْدَانِ الَّذِينَ يقولون ربنا أخرجنا من هذه القرية الظالم أهلها واجعل لنا من لدنك وليا واجعل لنا من لدنك نصيرا.
And what has happened to you that you do not fight in the way of Allah, and do not fight for the feeble among the men, women and children who are supplicating, O our Lord, free us from this city whose inhabitants are oppressors, and make for us from your court a supporter, and make for us from your court a helper.
الذين آمنوا يقاتلون في سبيل الله والذين كفروا يقاتلون في سبيل الطاغوت فقاتلوا أولياء الشيطان إن كيد الشيطان كان ضعيفا.
Those who believe perform jihad in the way of Allah, and those who disbelieve fight in the way of Satan. To perform jihad against the friends of Satan. Verily the deceit of Satan is weak.
ألم تر إلى الذين قيل لهم كفوا أيديكم وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة فلما كتب عليهم القتال إذا فريق منهم يخشون الناس كخشية الله أو أشد خشية وقالوا ربنا لم كتبت علينا القتال لولا أخرتنا إلى أجل قريب قل متاع الدنيا قليل والآخرة خير لمن اتقى ولا تظلمون فتيلا.
Did you not see those to whom it was said, hold back your hands from fighting and establish the prayer and give zakat? Then when jihad was made compulsory, a group of them began to fear people as one fears Allah, or even more. And they said, O our Lord, why did you make jihad incumbent upon us? Why did you not give us more time? Dear beloved Prophet, say, the provisions of this world are little, and the hereafter is better for those who are righteous, and you shall not be oppressed even as much as a thread.
أينما تكونوا يدرككم الموت ولو كنتم في بروج مشيدة وإن تصبهم حسنة يقولوا هذه من عند الله وإن تصبهم سيئة يقولوا هذه من عندك قل كل من عند الله فما لهؤلاء القوم لا يكادون يفقهون حديثا.
Wherever you are, death will indeed seize you, even if you are within fortified castles. And if good reaches them, hypocrites, they say, this is from Allah. And when a calamity befalls them, they say, O Muhammad, this has happened because of you. Dear beloved Prophet, say, all is from Allah. So what happened to these people that they do not seem to understand anything?
ما أصابك من حسنة فمن الله وما أصابك من سيئة فمن نفسك وأرسلناك للناس رسولا وكفى بالله شهيدا.
The good which reached you is from Allah, and the evil which befell you is from you. And O beloved Prophet, we sent you as a messenger for all people, and Allah is sufficient as a witness.
من يطع الرسول فقد أطاع الله ومن تولى فما أرسلناك عليهم حفيظا.
Whosoever obeyed the messenger indeed obeyed Allah, and whosoever turned away, then we have not sent you as a guardian over them.
ويقولون طاعة فإذا برزوا من عندك بيت طائفة منهم غير الذي تقول والله يكتب ما يبيتون فأعرض عنهم وتوكل على الله وكفى بالله وكيلا.
And they say, we observe obedience. Then when they leave your presence, a group of them plot against your instructions at night, and Allah is writing what they plan by night. So dear beloved Prophet, overlook them and place your trust in Allah, and Allah is sufficient as a disposer of affairs.
أفلا يتدبرون القرآن ولو كان من عند غير الله لوجدوا فيه اختلافا كثيرا.
So, do they not reflect upon the Quran? And had this Quran been from anyone other than Allah, they would certainly find therein many contradictions.
وَإِذَا جَاءَهُمْ أَمْرٌ مِّنَ الْأَمْنِ أَوِ الْخَوْفِ أَذَاعُوا بِهِ وَلَوْ رَدُّوهُ إِلَى الرَّسُولِ وَإِلَى أُولِي الْأَمْرِ مِنْهُمْ لَعَلِمَهُ الَّذِينَ يَسْتَنبِطُونَهُ مِنْهُمْ ولولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته لاتبعتم الشيطان إلا قليلا.
And when a matter of peace or fear comes to them, they begin to spread it. Had they presented it to the messenger and the people of authority among them, then indeed those among them who can correctly deduce from it would come to know of it, the reality. And had it not been for the grace of Allah upon you and His mercy, all of you would certainly have followed Satan except a few.
فقاتل في سبيل الله لا تكلف إلا نفسك وحرض المؤمنين عسى الله أن يكف بأس الذين كفروا والله أشد بأسا وأشد تنكيلا.
So dear beloved Prophet, fight in the way of Allah. You shall not be burdened beyond your power, and encourage the Muslims to do jihad. Soon Allah will stop the force of the disbelievers, and Allah is the mightiest in power and most severe in retribution.
من يشفع شفاعة حسنة يكن له نصيب منها ومن يشفع شفاعة سيئة يكن له كفل منها وكان الله على كل شيء مقيتا.
Whosoever intercedes with a good intercession, there is for him a share from it, and whosoever intercedes with an evil intercession, there is for him a share from it. Allah has power over everything.
وَإِذَا حُيِّيتُم بِتَحِيَّةٍ فَحَيُّوا بِأَحْسَنَ مِنْهَا أَوْ رُدُّوهَا إِنَّ اللَّهَ كَانَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ حَسِيبًا.
And when you are greeted with a greeting of peace, then reply with a better greeting or say the same. Indeed, Allah takes account of everything.
الله لا إله إلا هو ليجمعنكم إلى يوم القيامة لا ريب فيه ومن أصدق من الله حديثا.
Allah, there is none worthy of worship except Him. He will most definitely gather you on the day of judgment about which there is no doubt. And who is truer in word than Allah?
فما لكم في المنافقين فئتين والله أركسهم بما كسبوا أتريدون أن تهدوا من أضل الله ومن يضلل الله فلن تجد له سبيلا.
So what has happened to you, that you have become divided into two groups concerning the hypocrites, whilst Allah has inverted them, their hearts due to their deeds? Do you want to show the path to the one whom Allah has misguided? And whoever Allah leaves to stray, you will never find a way for him.
ودوا لو تكفرون كما كفروا فتكونون سواء فلا تتخذوا منهم أولياء حتى يهاجروا في سبيل الله فإن تولوا فخذوهم واقتلوهم حيث وجدتموهم ولا تتخذوا منهم وليا ولا نصيرا.
They desire that if only you disbelieve just as they have disbelieved, then you become one and the same. So do not befriend any of them until they migrate in the way of Allah. So if they turn away, seize them and kill them wherever you find them, and do not take any friend or helper
إلا الذين يصلون إلى قوم بينكم وبينهم ميثاق أو جاءوكم حصرت صدورهم أن يقاتلوكم أو يقاتلوا قومهم ولو شاء الله لسلطهم عليكم فلقاتلوكم فإن اعتزلوكم فلم يقاتلوكم وألقوا إليكم السلم فما جعل الله لكم عليهم سبيلا.
Accept, i.e. do not kill, those who are affiliated with a tribe that have a pact of peace with you, or they come forth to you with their hearts averse to fighting you, or to fight their tribe with you. Had Allah willed, He would surely have unleashed them upon you, so they would certainly have fought you. So if they remain distant from you, and do not engage in battle with you, and offer you peace, then Allah has not made a path of war for you against them.
ستجدون آخرين يريدون أن يأمنوكم ويأمنوا قومهم كلما ردوا إلى الفتنة أركسوا فيها فإن لم يعتزلوكم ويلقوا إليكم السلم ويكفوا أيديهم فخذوهم واقتلوهم حيث ثقفتموهم وأولئكم جعلنا لكم عليهم سلطانا مبينا.
Soon you will find others who wish that they remain at peace with you and with their tribe. However, whenever they are turned towards mischief, they fall face down therein. So if they do not withdraw from you, and do not offer you peace, and do not hold back their hands from battle, then seize them, and kill them wherever you find them. And these are the very people against whom we have given you open authority.
وما كان لمؤمن أن يقتل مؤمنا إلا خطأ ومن قتل مؤمنا خطأ فتحرير رقبة مؤمنة ودية مسلمة إلى أهله إلا أن يصدقوا فإن كان من قوم عدو لكم وهو مؤمن فتحرير رقبة مؤمنة وإن كان من قوم بينكم وبينهم ميثاق فدية مسلمة إلى أهله وتحرير رقبة مؤمنة فمن لم يجد فصيام شهرين متتابعين توبة من الله وكان الله عليما حكيما.
It is not permissible for a Muslim that he kills another Muslim except that it occurs by mistake. And whosoever kills a believer unintentionally, then freeing a Muslim slave and paying the blood money which is handed over to the victim's family, is necessary except if they forgive. So if he belonged to your enemy tribe and he was a Muslim, only freeing a Muslim slave is necessary. And if he was from a tribe with whom you have an agreement, then compensation must be given to his family, and a Muslim slave should be freed. So whosoever does not find a slave, then fasting for 2 months consecutively is necessary. This is repentance in the court of Allah, and Allah is all-knowing, most wise.
ومن يقتل مؤمنا متعمدا فجزاؤه جهنم خالدا فيها وغضب الله عليه ولعنه وأعد له عذابا عظيما.
And whosoever kills a Muslim intentionally, then his retribution is hell. He will reside therein for a lasting phase, and Allah has placed his wrath upon him and deprived him of mercy, and he has prepared severe punishment for him.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا ضربتم في سبيل الله فتبينوا ولا تقولوا لمن ألقى إليكم السلام لست مؤمنا تبتغون عرض الحياة الدنيا فعند الله مغانم كثيرة كذلك كنتم من قبل فمن الله عليكم فتبينوا إن الله كان بما تعملون خبيرا.
O you who believe, when you go forth in the way of Allah, investigate and do not say to the one who greets you with salam, you are not a Muslim. You desire the provisions of worldly life, so indeed Allah has an abundance of treasures. You were alike previously, and then Allah endowed you with favor. So verify the truth with care. Indeed, Allah is aware of what you do.
لا يستوي القاعدون من المؤمنين غير أولي الضرر والمجاهدون في سبيل الله بأموالهم وأنفسهم فضل الله المجاهدين بأموالهم وأنفسهم على القاعدين درجة وكلا وعد الله الحسنى وفضل الله المجاهدين على القاعدين أجرا عظيما.
The Muslims who stayed behind rather than fighting, excluding the exempts, are not equal to those who perform jihad in the way of Allah with their wealth and lives. Allah has granted excellence of rank to those who perform jihad with their wealth and lives over those who stay behind. And Allah has promised goodness for all. And Allah has conferred excellence of great reward to those who perform jihad over those who remain behind.
درجات منه ومغفرة ورحمة وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
Ranks of elevation from Him and forgiveness and mercy. Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
إن الذين توفاهم الملائكة ظالمي أنفسهم قالوا فيم كنتم قالوا كنا مستضعفين في الأرض قالوا ألم تكن أرض الله واسعة فتهاجروا فيها فأولئك مأواهم جهنم وساءت مصيرا.
Indeed, those whose souls are taken by the angels while they wrong themselves, the angels say to them, "Which state were you in?" They reply, "We were weak upon the earth." The angels say, "Was the land of Allah not vast that you could have migrated?" So they are those whose abode is hell, and what a terrible place of return it is.
إلا المستضعفين من الرجال والنساء والولدان لا يستطيعون حيلة ولا يهتدون سبيلا.
Except the feeble from the men and the women and children who can neither plan nor know the way.
فأولئك عسى الله أن يعفو عنهم وكان الله عفوا غفورا.
So soon Allah will pardon them, and Allah is most pardoning, most forgiving.
ومن يهاجر في سبيل الله يجد في الأرض مراغما كثيرا وسعة ومن يخرج من بيته مهاجرا إلى الله ورسوله ثم يدركه الموت فقد وقع أجره على الله وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
Whosoever migrates in the way of Allah will find within the earth many places of refuge and great scope. And whosoever migrates from his home to Allah and His Messenger and death reaches him, then his reward is established with Allah. And Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
وَإِذَا ضَرَبْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ فَلَيْسَ عَلَيْكُمْ جُنَاحٌ أَن تَقْصُرُوا مِنَ الصَّلَاةِ إِنْ خِفْتُمْ أَن يَفْتِنَكُمُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنَّ الْكَافِرِينَ كَانُوا لَكُمْ عَدُوًّا مُبِينًا.
And when you travel within the earth, there is no sin on you that you shorten the prayer if you fear harm from those who disbelieve. Indeed, the disbelievers are your open enemies.
وإذا كنت فيهم فأقمت لهم الصلاة فلتقم طائفة منهم معك وليأخذوا أسلحتهم فإذا سجدوا فليكونوا من ورائكم ولتأت طائفة أخرى لم يصلوا فليصلوا معك وليأخذوا حذرهم وأسلحتهم ود الذين كفروا لو تغفلون عن أسلحتكم وأمتعتكم فيميلون عليكم ميلة واحدة ولا جناح عليكم إن كان بكم أذى من مطر أو كنتم مرضى أن تضعوا أسلحتكم وخذوا حذركم إن الله أعد للكافرين عذابا مهينا إن الله أعد للكافرين عذابا مهينا.
Dear beloved Prophet, when you are among them, then lead them in prayer, and let a group of them stand with you holding their weapons. So when they have prostrated, they should move behind you, and now the second group should come forth who have not yet prayed, and pray with you. And they should take their precaution and retain their weapons. The disbelievers wish that you become negligent of your weapons and provisions, so that they attack you at once suddenly. And there is no sin on you. If you are troubled by rain or you are ill, that you put down your weapons and retain your armor. Indeed, Allah has prepared a humiliating punishment for the disbelievers.
فإذا قضيتم الصلاة فاذكروا الله قياما وقعودا وعلى جنوبكم فإذا اطمأننتم فأقيموا الصلاة إن الصلاة كانت على المؤمنين كتابا موقوتا.
And when you have completed the prayer, remember Allah standing and sitting and lying on your sides. Then when you are at peace, establish the prayer. Indeed, the prayer is a time-bound obligation upon the believers.
ولا تهنوا في ابتغاء القوم إن تكونوا تألمون فإنهم يألمون كما تألمون وترجون من الله ما لا يرجون وكان الله عليما حكيما.
And do not falter in seeking out the disbelievers. If you suffer, then they too suffer as you suffer. And yet you hope from Allah for that reward which they do not hope for. And Allah is all-knowing, most wise.
إنا أنزلنا إليك الكتاب بالحق لتحكم بين الناس بما أراك الله ولا تكن للخائنين خصيما.
Dear beloved Prophet, indeed we sent down to you the book with truth, that you may judge between the people with that which Allah has shown you. And do not contend on behalf of those who breach trust.
واستغفر الله إن الله كان غفورا رحيما.
And seek forgiveness in the court of Allah. Verily, Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
ولا تجادل عن الذين يختانون أنفسهم إن الله لا يحب من كان خوانا أثيما.
Do not argue on behalf of those who betray themselves. Indeed, Allah does not like the one who is persistently deceptive, most sinful.
يستخفون من الناس ولا يستخفون من الله وهو معهم إذ يبيتون ما لا يرضى من القول وكان الله بما يعملون محيطا.
They are ashamed before the people, but are not ashamed before Allah, whereas Allah is with them when they discuss by night that which He does not like, and Allah encompasses whatever they do.
ها أنتم هؤلاء جادلتم عنهم في الحياة الدنيا فمن يجادل الله عنهم يوم القيامة أم من يكون عليهم وكيلا.
O people, consider, you are the very people who argued for them in the life of this world. So who will argue with Allah for them on the day of judgment? Or who will be their disposer of affairs?
ومن يعمل سوءا أو يظلم نفسه ثم يستغفر الله يجد الله غفورا رحيما.
Whosoever commits an evil deed or wrongs his soul and then seeks forgiveness from Allah, he will find Allah to be most forgiving, most merciful.
ومن يكسب إثما فإنما يكسبه على نفسه وكان الله عليما حكيما.
Whosoever earns evil, he only earns evil against his soul, and Allah is all-knowing, most wise.
ومن يكسب خطيئة أو إثما ثم يرم به بريئا فقد احتمل بهتانا وإثما مبينا.
And whosoever pursues error or sin and then accuses the innocent, so he has certainly carried slander and open transgression.
ولولا فضل الله عليك ورحمته لهمت طائفة منهم أن يضلوك وما يضلون إلا أنفسهم وما يضرونك من شيء وأنزل الله عليك الكتاب والحكمة وعلمك ما لم تكن تعلم وكان فضل الله عليك عظيما.
Dear beloved Prophet, had it not been for the grace of Allah and His mercy upon you, a group of them had intended to turn you away from the correct decision. They were only misguiding themselves, and they cannot do you any harm. And Allah has revealed to you the book and wisdom and taught you all that you did not know. The grace of Allah upon you is supreme.
لا خير في كثير من نجواهم إلا من أمر بصدقة أو معروف أو إصلاح بين الناس ومن يفعل ذلك ابتغاء مرضات الله فسوف نؤتيه أجرا عظيما.
There is no goodness in most of their secret consultations, except for those who advise regarding charity or virtue or reconciliation between people. And whosoever does this seeking the pleasure of Allah, soon we shall endow him with great reward.
ومن يشاقق الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصله جهنم وساءت مصيرا.
And whosoever opposes the messenger after guidance has been made clear for him and follows a path other than that of the Muslims, we shall turn him to where he deviates and cast him in hell, and what a terrible place of return it is.
إن الله لا يغفر أن يشرك به ويغفر ما دون ذلك لمن يشاء ومن يشرك بالله فقد ضل ضلالا بعيدا.
Allah does not forgive the attribution of a partner to him, and he forgives that which is lesser in sin for whomsoever he wills. And whosoever ascribes a partner to Allah has indeed fallen into extreme misguidance.
إن يدعون من دونه إلا إناثا وإن يدعون إلا شيطانا مريدا.
They, polytheists, do not worship anything instead of Allah, except some females, idols, and they only worship the rebellious Satan.
لعنه الله وقال لأتخذن من عبادك نصيبا مفروضا.
Whom Allah has deprived of mercy. And he, Satan, said, I will most certainly take away from your people a specified share.
وَلَأُضِلَّنَّهُمْ وَلَأُمَنِّيَنَّهُمْ وَلَآمُرَنَّهُمْ فَلَيُبَتِّكُنَّ آذَانَ الْأَنْعَامِ وَلَآمُرَنَّهُمْ فَلَيُغَيِّرُنَّ خَلْقَ اللَّهِ وَمَنْ يَتَّخِذِ الشَّيْطَانَ وَلِيًّا مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ فَقَدْ خَسِرَ خُسْرَانًا مُّبِينًا.
And I shall most definitely lead them astray, and I will most certainly rouse ambition in them, and I shall indeed command them, and so they will surely slit the ears of animals, and I shall indeed command them, and so they will certainly change the creation of Allah. And whosoever takes Satan as a friend instead of Allah has indeed incurred a clear loss.
يَعِدُهُمْ وَيُمَنِّيهِمْ وَمَا يَعِدُهُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ إِلَّا غُرُورًا.
He, Satan, promises them and incites false aspirations in them, and Satan only promises them deception.
أُولَئِكَ مَأْوَاهُمْ جَهَنَّمُ وَلَا يَجِدُونَ عَنْهَا مَحِيصًا.
Their abode is hell, and they shall find no escape from it.
وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ سَنُدْخِلُهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا أَبَدًا وَعْدَ اللَّهِ حَقًّا وَمَنْ أَصْدَقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ قِيلًا.
And those who embrace faith and perform righteous deeds, soon we shall make them enter gardens beneath which rivers are flowing. They will reside therein forever. This is the true promise of Allah, And who is truer in speech than Allah?
ليس بأمانيكم ولا أماني أهل الكتاب من يعمل سوءا يجز به ولا يجد له من دون الله وليا ولا نصيرا.
Neither your false aspirations nor the fabricated ambitions of the people of the book have any significance. Whosoever shall commit evil will be recompensed for it, and he will neither find a supporter nor a helper for himself other than Allah.
ومن يعمل من الصالحات من ذكر أو أنثى وهو مؤمن فأولئك يدخلون الجنة ولا يظلمون نقيرا.
And whosoever, man or woman, does good and is a Muslim, then these very people will enter paradise, and they will not be oppressed even the equivalent of a seed.
ومن أحسن دينا ممن أسلم وجهه لله وهو محسن واتبع ملة إبراهيم حنيفا واتخذ الله إبراهيم خليلا.
And who is better in religion than he who adopted humility for Allah? And he is virtuous, and he follows the religion of Ibrahim, who was pure from any falsehood, and Allah made Ibrahim a chosen friend.
وَلِلَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ مُحِيطًا.
And to Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, and Allah encompasses all things.
وَيَسْتَفْتُونَكَ فِي النِّسَاءِ قُلِ اللَّهُ يُفْتِيكُمْ فِيهِنَّ وَمَا يُتْلَى عليكم في الكتاب في يتامى النساء اللاتي لا تؤتونهن ما كتب لهن وترغبون أن تنكحوهن والمستضعفين من الولدان وأن تقوموا لليتامى بالقسط وما تفعلوا من خير فإن الله كان به عليما.
They ask you, dear beloved Prophet, about women. Say, Allah gives you the verdict about them, and so does the book which is recited before you. And about the orphaned women whom you deprive of what is prescribed for them of inheritance, but still desire to marry. The weak children to fulfill their rights and to remain just for orphans. And whatsoever good you do, Allah knows it.
وَإِنِ امْرَأَةٌ خَافَتْ مِنْ بَعْلِهَا نُشُوزًا أَوْ إِعْرَاضًا فَلَا جُنَاحَ عَلَيْهِمَا أَنْ يُصْلِحَا بَيْنَهُمَا صُلْحًا وَالصُّلْحُ خَيْرٌ وَأُحْضِرَتِ الْأَنْفُسُ الشُّحَّ وَإِن تُحْسِنُوا وَتَتَّقُوا فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ كَانَ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ خَبِيرًا.
If a woman fears mistreatment and disregard from her husband, there is no blame on either of them if they reconcile between themselves, and reconciliation is best. Humans are inclined to selfishness. But if you adopt kindness and piety, surely Allah is aware of all that you do.
وَلَن تَسْتَطِيعُوا أَن تعدلوا بين النساء ولو حرصتم فلا تميلوا كل الميل فتذروها كالمعلقة وإن تصلحوا وتتقوا فإن الله كان غفورا رحيما.
And you will never succeed in establishing equality between women, even if you long for it. So do not become completely inclined to one wife, leaving the other like something suspended. And if you amend your behavior and are mindful of Allah, surely Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
وَإِن يَتَفَرَّقَا يُغْنِ اللَّهُ كُلًّا مِّن سَعَتِهِ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ وَاسِعًا حَكِيمًا.
And if they, i.e., husband and wife, separate, Allah will make them independent of each other through His bestowal, and Allah is most bestowing, all-knowing.
وَلِلَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَلَقَدْ وَصَّيْنَا الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابَ مِن قَبْلِكُمْ وَإِيَّاكُمْ أَنِ اتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَإِن تَكْفُرُوا فَإِنَّ لِلَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ غَنِيًّا حَمِيدًا.
And to Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth. Indeed, we emphasize to those who were granted the book before you and to you to fear Allah. If you disbelieve, then whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth belongs to Allah, and He is infinitely independent and most praiseworthy.
وَلِلَّهِ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ وَكِيلًا.
To Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, and He is sufficient as a disposer of affairs.
إِن يَشَأْ يُذْهِبْكُمْ أَيُّهَا النَّاسُ وَيَأْتِ بِآخَرِينَ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَلَى ذَلِكَ قَدِيرًا.
O people, if He wills, He may take you away and bring forth others, and Allah has the power to do this.
مَنْ كَانَ يُرِيدُ ثَوَابَ الدُّنْيَا فَعِندَ اللَّهِ ثَوَابُ الدُّنْيَا وَالْآخِرَةِ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ سَمِيعًا بَصِيرًا.
Whosoever desires the reward of this world, and the reward of this world and the hereafter is with Allah, and Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا قوامين بالقسط شهداء لله ولو على أنفسكم أو الوالدين والأقربين إن يكن غنيا أو فقيرا فالله أولى بهما فلا تتبعوا الهوى أن تعدلوا وإن تلووا أو تعرضوا فإن الله كان بما تعملون خبيرا.
O you who believe, be steadfast upon justice as you testify for Allah, even if it is against yourselves, your parents or close relatives. Whether he, the defendant, is rich or poor, Allah is closer to them in both cases. So do not follow your desires lest you are unjust. If you distort the testimony or turn away from it, Allah is aware of all that you do.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا بالله ورسوله والكتاب الذي نزل على رسوله والكتاب الذي أنزل من قبل ومن يكفر بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر فقد ضل ضلالا بعيدا.
O you who believe in Allah and His Messenger and the book which He sent down upon His Messenger and the book which He revealed prior to this. And whosoever disbelieves in Allah and His angels and His books and His messengers and the day of judgment has certainly fallen into extreme misguidance.
إن الذين آمنوا ثم كفروا ثم آمنوا ثم كفروا ثم ازدادوا كفرا لم يكن الله ليغفر لهم ولا ليهديهم سبيلا.
Indeed, those who believed, then disbelieved, then believed, then disbelieved, and increased in disbelief, Allah will neither forgive them nor guide them to the path of salvation.
بشر المنافقين بأن لهم عذابا أليما.
Give glad tidings to the hypocrites that there is painful punishment for them.
الذين يتخذون الكافرين أولياء من دون المؤمنين أيبتغون عندهم العزة فإن العزة لله جميعا.
Those who befriend disbelievers in place of Muslims, do they seek honor with them? So Allah is the possessor of all honor.
وقد نزل عليكم في الكتاب أن إذا سمعتم آيات الله يكفر بها ويستهزأ بها فلا تقعدوا معهم حتى يخوضوا في حديث غيره إنكم إذا مثلهم إن الله جامع المنافقين والكافرين في جهنم جميعا.
Indeed, Allah has sent down this command upon you in the book that when you hear the verses of Allah being rejected and mocked, then do not sit with those people until they engage in some other conversation. Otherwise you will become like them. Surely Allah will bring together all the hypocrites and disbelievers in hell.
الذين يتربصون بكم فإن كان لكم فتح من الله قالوا ألم نكن معكم وإن كان للكافرين نصيب قالوا ألم نستحوذ عليكم ونمنعكم من المؤمنين فالله يحكم بينكم يوم القيامة ولن يجعل الله للكافرين على المؤمنين سبيلا.
Those hypocrites who wait for your change of fortune. So if you are granted victory from Allah, they say, were we not with you? And if there is a share of victory for the disbelievers, they say to them, were we not dominant against you? And did we not protect you from the Muslims? So Allah will judge between you on the day of judgment, and Allah will not grant disbelievers a way of success against the Muslims.
إن المنافقين يخادعون الله وهو خادعهم وإذا قاموا إلى الصلاة قاموا كسالى يراءون الناس ولا يذكرون الله إلا قليلا.
The hypocrites wish to deceive Allah, but He will destroy them after making them heedless. And when they stand for the prayer, they do so most unwillingly, only showing the people they do not remember Allah but little.
مذبذبين بين ذلك لا إله هؤلاء ولا إله هؤلاء ومن يضلل الله فلن تجد له سبيلا.
Wavering between this and that, neither to these believers nor to those disbelievers. And whomsoever Allah leaves to stray, you will never find a way for him.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا الكافرين أولياء من دون المؤمنين أتريدون أن تجعلوا لله عليكم سلطانا مبينا.
O you who believe, do not befriend disbelievers in place of Muslims. Do you want to give Allah clear proof against yourselves?
إن المنافقين في الدرك الأسفل من النار ولن تجد لهم نصيرا.
Indeed, the hypocrites are in the lowest level of the fire, and you will never find a helper for them.
إلا الذين تابوا وأصلحوا واعتصموا بالله وأخلصوا دينهم لله فأولئك مع المؤمنين وسوف يؤتي الله المؤمنين أجرا عظيما.
Except those who repent, reform themselves, hold firmly to the rope of Allah, and are sincere in their devotion to Allah. They are with the Muslims. Soon Allah will endow Muslims with a great reward.
ما يفعل الله بعذابكم إن شكرتم وآمنتم وكان الله شاكرا عليما.
And what will Allah gain by punishing you if you are grateful and embrace faith? And Allah is appreciative, all-knowing.